Aerial flood warning for Polk and Rutherford. 993 should be going off any minute now. It's right over there.
Parks and along the reaches of the river are experiencing significant inundation. A flood warning remains in effect until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northwestern Caldwell and central Avery counties. At 6:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, very high water conditions exist across much of northwestern Caldwell and eastern Avery counties, and many steep slopes are unstable due to the recent heavy rainfall. Residents and travelers in this region will need to exercise extreme caution to avoid flooded and damaged roadways. Also, be on the lookout for any loose or moving rock or soil where mudslides or landslides may develop. Emergency management reported ongoing flooding along with
Come on.
6+ inches of rainfall over the past 24 hours.
Oh.
Numerous landslides have been reported along Highway 321 with some roads
Come on now.
destroyed due to flooded streams.
Hey.
Due to saturated soils, runoff will remain high and any additional scattered showers could
Hey. Come on. I'm waiting here.
A flood warning remains in effect until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northwestern Rutherford, eastern Henderson, Polk, and southeastern Buncombe counties. At 6:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time,
Ahem.
are indicated mainly isolated to scattered showers moving across Rutherford, Henderson, and Polk counties from the west. Although spotty half-inch amounts cannot be ruled out in the heaviest downpours, no further torrential rainfall is expected this evening in the warned area. However, emergency management reports ongoing flooding in many locations across the area from the very heavy rainfall over the past 24 hours.
Tick tock, 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 tick tock.
Use extreme caution if traveling in this area since
Tick tock on the clock. When are you gonna tone it?
flood warning remains in effect until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for
I know.
Polk and western Worth counties.
I know it takes time, but it hasn't taken this long.
Doppler radar indicated a redeveloping round of showers and thunderstorms stretching from west of Pleasant Gardens to woodlands near Table Rock. These showers are expected to slowly drift eastward over the next hour, but with some continued redevelopment to the northwestern Rutherford, Polk County in western North Carolina until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, high water conditions continue in western Polk and Rutherford counties this evening. Polk County officials report flooding continuing in the Green River section of Polk County, with some associated road closures. Continue to be on the lookout for flooding in and near Columbus, Tryon, Saluda, Chimney Rock State Park, Mill Spring, Lake Adger, Back Cape, and Shingle Hollow. A flood warning remains in effect until...
Okay then. That was the longest time I've ever seen them take their time on a flood warning. Usually they do it around like 1 to 2 minutes, but this time they did it for 3 to 4 minutes. Ugh. There you go, there's your proof. Flood warning.